I've never seen the lorikeets come up here before. It's normally the occasional cockatoo, but they don't even come up that often.
They used to come on the other balcony.
Yeah. I had the door open. I don't know if they thought that like they could come inside or something.
I don't know if the rain has made their food a bit soggy and scarce.
Well, they're not normally this friendly.
Young and hungry.
That one's not. That one's an adult. This one's the baby one though. You can see the darker head feathers.
Okay.
Hi, little guy. And that's why also this one was more bold. He's done it before. He's like, they use human things. They give me some food. I'll get some good treats. Hello, little guy. Hello. Can you say hello?